Hey guys, welcome back. This is behind the recipe for TikTok. We made this scrumptious cheese platter. I mean, it is delightful and gorgeous. I don't know about you, but I'm hungry. Parker, are you hungry?
I'm really hungry, yeah. I
Well,
can't wait.
we're kind of on a diet right now, so we're going mini, okay? It's a new thing on TikTok that we're doing mini. So here's our mini cheese platter. So we have some Kalamata olives
Oh,
that we cut up. You can see. And then we have some green olives that we cut up, very mini. We have some sliced pears.
hold on. I'm gonna need my glasses to eat.
Oh, okay, good. We have some Parmesan Reggiano cheese cubes. We have some sourdough cheese that my mom got us. We have some salami. We have some prosciutto. And we have some champagne grapes. And we have some wine. Cheers, Parks.
Cheers.
You can't have cheese platter without wine. I know you're hungry, but this is going to be filling. You'll see. I was going to give us a little crusty bread, but I don't think we need it. I think we're going to be good. I'm going to start with a little prosciutto.
And I'll have a piece of cheese.
Yeah.
Bon appetit.
That's the Reggiano. Look at that. Look at the color. It's aged. You know, it's...
Boy, that's a beautiful piece of cheese.
I know. I love it. A little olive.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh.
I have a grape.
Oh, yeah. Champagne grapes.
Are these for wine? Oh, you took my grape.
I'm going to have a pear.
Oh, that's a grape.
That's a pear. We're a pear.
You know, at about 3 in the morning, I'm gonna be sneaking in the kitchen looking for something to eat.
Why? This isn't going to be enough for
I
dinner?
don't know.
You don't think
I'm
so?
not sure.
What? You just ate almost
Well,
all the prosciutto.
Okay, I'll put it back.
Eat more of that because I like the prosciutto better. I put some bay leaves on here.
Nice. No. Something deep in my heart says no. I don't know why.
I think this is
There'll be
delicious.
no going back. That's what it feels like. Somehow, it's over.
Parks, I think this is like outrageously delicious.
And actually, it is delicious. These are all the flavors that are so great together.
It's salty and sweet.
I could actually have dinner like this.
We are having
Honestly,
dinner like this.
Oh.
Did you try a pear?
No, I better.
You better quick
I
before
better
they
before I'm
go.
gone.
These grapes are phenomenal.
Oh,
Anyway, guys, you know,
I know you're all jealous.
we're doing this TikTok thing. It's been really fun. A toast to that. A toast to you,
This has been really fun.
handsome husband.
Toast to you, wife, chef.
Thank you. And, you know, we're just going to keep going, guys. And we're going to do a little mini series. Because everyone's
Well, let's
eating
let's
way
see.
too much.
Maybe people can let us know if they like the mini-series.
Okay.
Maybe. I mean, it'd just be, I'd like to know.
I mean,
I'd be curious.
we could call it the Dollhouse series,
The Starvation Diet series?
the Starvation Diet series, the...
What are you complaining about? You looking to get anything tonight series? Wow.
I don't know about you. This prosciutto with a little pear combination.
Oh, it's just full of inspiration.
Mm-hmm. You've had enough wine.
Cheers. Thanks for joining us for this feast.
Thanks, guys.
I know it took us a long time to eat it, but...
Well, we got plenty here.
Oh, we still going?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, get in there, Parks. We love you guys. Come back soon.